we can come back on this boat next.
Yeah, we'll be with them too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to literally show you the easiest way to color grade. This is not going to take long at all. I will be doing this in Final Cut Pro. I do have LUTs that I'm going to use that you can download. There's 22 that come in a pack. So let's just go ahead and get started. First of all, you want to make sure you are filming in log footage. Any kind of log footage that you have, S-Log, C-Log, just try to record in log footage. If you don't know much about log footage, there are trillions of videos on YouTube that you can quickly learn about log footage, how to shoot log footage in camera. But once you get the log footage down in camera, literally this is my process in color grading. Watch how this flat log footage is gonna turn into colors that you will see in a cinematic movie. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an adjustment layer, which this is completely free on my website. Go check out the website. We have plugins that are free, some you have to pay for. But I'm gonna drop my adjustment layer here. I'm going to go to my effects panel, go to custom LUT, get my custom LUT, drag it on the adjustment layer, and I'm gonna go with the warm color. And as you can see, as soon as I dropped it on, you can see the colors are popping. I'm just gonna play with a couple of adjustments here. I'm gonna turn my mix down a little bit, probably to around 71, somewhere around there. All right, and let's just play this and let's just see how it looks so far.
Yeah, we can come back on this boat next.
Yeah, we'll be with them too.
So with just a few buttons, it went from this to this, and I only chose one LUT that I showed you guys that are 22 in a pack. So what I'm gonna do to kind of enhance this is I'm just gonna go to my color curves. If you're fine with how this looks, you can leave it how it looks, but I'm just gonna go to my color curves. I'm gonna do a little S curve on the Luma here to bring down the darks, make it look a little more cinematic. Then I'm going to go to my color wheels and I'm gonna play with my highlights and my shadows. I'm gonna bring the highlights up just a tad, my shadows down just a little bit. Right here, and now let's play it back.
Yeah, we can come back on this boat next.
Yeah, we'll be with them too.
Yeah.
Looks kind of dark, so I'm gonna bring my shadows up just a little bit. Here.
Yeah, we can come back on this boat
And I
next.
think this is
Yeah, we'll be
perfect
with
right
them
here.
Yeah.
So that didn't take any time at all. It went from looking like this flat to cinematic movie looking like this.
Yeah, we can come back on this boat next.
So guys, this is how I color grade all of my footage. As you can see, this didn't take long at all. That probably took 1 minute. So yeah, just go check out the website. We have plenty of presets to offer. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you. If you would like to see the finished product of this video, the link is in the description below.